Hello guys, today this Samsung S22 Ultra came in for the wide angle camera repair. The wide angle camera is not focusing and the focus is out. I think the guy dropped the phone and after that it happened. We have the OEM camera that we ordered already, and we called today customer to bring the phone in. I already removed the back glass, and now I am removing the screws. Uh, Once I remove all the screws for the only the top part, because we only need to remove the top part, the motherboard. It's a very delicate and very delicate job. You have to be remove all the components, especially the camera is very fragile. You have to be carefully remove all these cameras. Also, you have to use the alcohol. Okay, so now we are separating all the cameras. As you can see, now I have to remove this wide angle camera. The middle one, the big camera, is the wide angle camera, which is in the middle of the top and bottom camera. That's what we're going to remove. Uh, I am putting some alcohol in there, and also I'm just prying up with the plastic ejector. I'm just prying up with the plastic remover. You have to do very slowly and gently, just to make sure you're not going to break the flex or not going to break the camera itself. Okay, here you go. After putting some alcohol, we be able to easily separate the camera. Now I am transferring the camera from old module to new module. Here is the the top camera I'm connecting, and now I'm going to install onto the motherboard. Don't be rush. Don't be. Don't put any force on it, and just be gentle. I am putting all the components back, and connecting all the flex cables to the motherboard and make sure they all snug. And now is the time to install the top plate, which has these signal antenna. This has the antenna. This is plastic, and the antenna is engraved in the plastic, and they putting the screws back. Now I have to connect the main wireless pad, and wireless pad has small jacks on it. First I'm going to install the screws, then I have to push the two jacks that were supposed to connect with the motherboard. One is for NFC, I think, and one is for the yes, that's the one I'm connecting. So I just making sure all the screws are gently tight, don't over tight. and after that cleaning the camera lenses and turn on the phone so I can test, make sure camera is good. It will take a while to comes on the phone. Make sure when you turn around you have the bubble wrap behind the camera, so camera does not touch anything hard on the back, so there is a very slight chance that it can damage the camera again, or it can scratch the camera again. Okay, so I'm just testing the camera. See, now it's focusing properly, and all it need a new camera, the main wide angle camera. How I did tested it, I point my finger in front of each camera. This is how I know which camera is not working. And the camera cost is about $60, 60 Canadian dollars, and we charge customer $179. So pretty much very good labor, like we almost charge 100 plus labor. Thanks for watching my video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Please subscribe and share and like my channel. Thanks for watching again, and have a wonderful day.